What's up YouTube, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to screen record on iPhone, specifically how to screen record with a voiceover in the background going at the same time. You will see in this video I am actually screen recording with the built-in screen recorder here, and I am having a voiceover that is directly configured here in live time. So in order to do this, you will swipe down from the top right of your screen, kind of like you normally would do, and you can see that I am screen recording right now. And in order to get the voiceover like I am doing in this very moment, you're going to hold down on the screen recording button, and it will take you to this menu here. And you can see right at the bottom of the screen there is a section for the microphone, and microphone is turned on, and that is how I am transmitting this voiceover directly towards the video. Of course, if I tapped on that, it would have the microphone turned off, and you won't be able to hear me any longer, so I'm not going to do so. But that is for your configuration as well, and I can assure you that this voiceover is configured directly with the screen recording and synced in real time. Once you have that enabled or disabled, it will be permanently there until you switch it on or off again, so you are free to have a voiceover on your voice recording. And it is pretty simple to get it done. That's pretty much all I have for you in today's tutorial. If you did have any questions or needed any help with getting the voiceover set up, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you did find this helpful today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.